payments since being released on good time supervision and are currently in arrears in the amount of $83 or $63 for supervision fees and $65 for processing fees. How do you plead with that?
Not guilty.
Mr. Lloyd, your case has been assigned to me, so I'm going to start asking you a few questions, okay? It appears to me, and you tell me if this is correct, you were paroled on February the 1st of 2022, is that right?
Yes, sir.
You reported to the Marksville office at that time.
Yes, sir.
You remember that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sheriff was in the middle of doing something else, and the probation officer was in the middle of doing something else. They told you to go to the sheriff's office to register and to sign up for your notifications and to come back to the office to finish filling out your paperwork. You remember that?
Yes, sir.
And you never came back. Why?
Because when you first got out of jail, they give you 72 hours to go to the SSI place, and I've been getting SSI and disability like for some years now. And last time I went to jail, my grandmother cut it off because she didn't want me to pay no back time. So when I got out of jail, I had to see probation and parole and try to make it to the SSI place at the same time. I had 72 hours to make it to both places. So when he gave me a break, I did go register, but I just ain't pay my fees in time. Like it took me like 3 weeks to find a job. Then I had to put a weekend.
Let me slow you down. You were in the office of probation and parole.
Yes, sir.
You were allowed to go make your registration and come back and finish your paperwork.
Yes, sir.
But you never came back.
Yes, sir. But I did register. I didn't come back that day.
I understand you registered, but you didn't come back to probation and parole. Did you ever come back and sign up?
Yes, sir.
When?
When he got back in contact with me, he made me meet him at the sheriff's office and fingerprint me and do it over, but it wasn't that same day.
Okay. All right. And then from February the 2nd to February.
Having a connection problem. Just hanging there. I need to come back in like a minute. What do you guys think so far?
It like it freezed up or something.